Hello, we just got some new screwdriver samples here. And it seems to be one of the most durable screwdrivers I have ever seen from the market. So I'm going to make a video to show you how durable it is. What I'm going to do is to hit this metal plate with the screwdriver, and then we will check is it going to work or not. So I'm going to hit this metal plate as hard as possible. Oh, now let's going to check is it still going to work or not. It seems it still works perfectly. Okay, it seems this is like a really high quality one, and if you like this screwdriver, you can buy from our website now. Thank you.